What is the contention of the petition first? What is the issue and what happened today before the High Court?
The petition which we filed in the High Court, we have various grounds. One ground was that they are cutting forest land. Number two, they are cutting hills. And they had permission from the town planning department given in 2023. That permission referred to an earlier permission which was given in 2011. So they were trying to make an argument to say that earlier commitments were being honored, and that is why what was given earlier, and therefore it should be honored. I told the court I have no problem if earlier somebody was given, we should not stop a person. But I pointed out to the court that the regional plan of 2021 was notified on 20th October 2011. And this application for development came on 12th October 2011. So their application was 12th October. The new regional plan came into force by notification on 20th October. And then on 10th November, that is after the notified plan, 10th November 2011, they approved this new plan on the basis of the 2001 regional plan, which was no longer in force. So the development being done was contrary to the regional plan of 2021. That is the first thing which I pointed out. And we also had another part where we got under RTI how much is settlement zone, how much is orchard zone, and how much is no development slopes, overlapping orchard zone. And what we have seen is, while they have I think about 900 square meters which is settlement zone, they got approval of a plan of 2495 square meters as settlement zone, which is a total fraud. And if you look very clearly, the development is being carried out in the orchard zone. But being impressed with this argument, the court asked to respond to this specific argument, first one of mine, that the plan has been approved in November 2011 on the basis of the earlier this regional plan and not in accordance with that. And they could not bring any notification to show that the regional plan was suspended. I also pointed out to the Honorable High Court that I have a judgment in the Sirsai case where I had argued and I had pointed out that the regional plan 2021 was never kept in suspense. I'm repeating this. There are a lot of statements floating around. You might also heard statements from politicians, including Manohar Parrikar, that I'm suspending it. But I got a judgment from the court which says the regional plan 2021 was never kept in suspense or in abeyance. So therefore, it continued in full effect for all purposes. Till today, it is in force.
So where is this project, sir?
This is the project of Tarun Tahlani, which is being done in Salvador do Mundo, but that area falls in the village panchayat of Pomburpa, Ikoshing, Olaole. So naturally, and it is close to the Dadeshwar temple. It's a very sacred place over there. People's sentiments should also be taken into account. And see, it's not just we are talking of religious feelings because I want to say it's religion. The question is, you don't destroy forest, you don't destroy field, slopes or hills, and then you think that you can lord over everything. So now, what happened was the court finally, when it was about to pass an order staying this further work, the senior advocate for the petitioner, for the respondent, said that instead of passing an order, I will make a statement. So now after lunch, he made a statement that no further construction activity will be carried out in this land. Then I asked the court, please also ask him to file photographs to show what is the status of the land today, so that we don't have anything changed from today till next date. So the court also directed him to put the photographs on record within 2 days, and until the next date of hearing, which is on 20th of February, no construction work will be going on.